Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. So I hope you're having a wonderful day. Hope you're having a blessed day. So here on the table, guys, I'm just showing you the stuff for the giveaway, the stuff that Mr. Mannix and his family donated to give away, guys. So I'm going to be packing the bags today, and I'm going to show you while I pack the bags. I'm packing about 6 bags. As you can see, I have some bags over here. Yep, also a 50-pound rice, which is right here. The rice right here, guys. I don't have any bags to put the rice in as yet, so I'm going to buy some 5-pound bags to share the rice in. So this is it, guys. Let us get the ball rolling. Let's begin. Alright, let me just move these over so I can get some space. I begin to Alright guys, so this is what I'm doing. I'm putting the bag rice together, like sharing them out in 7 parcels. Portions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, not 7, 6 portions, guys. Then I can add the other stuff to it. Alright, so I have some oats. I'm just going to put oats on each. Put some oats there. And this is not all the rice, guys. Remember I said I have a 50-pound bag rice that I showed you. Just need some 5-pound bags to share them out in. Yep, so we're working what we have right now. Alright guys, so now let's just do the macaroni. So these person get oats, so I'm gonna give the person didn't get oats macaroni right there. That one there. This one here. This one. Give this one that one. And I'm gonna work with these macaronis now. Macaroni and cheese. Oops. So that right there. This person get 2. This person get 2. Let me give this person 1 here because they have a big pot macaroni already. This person get 1 there, and this person didn't get any macaroni, so give this person 2. So that's what it's looking like so far, guys. I hope you can see. You can see, Jordan? Right. There, 2 there, 2 over there, 2 there. Okay, so let's just move on to these peaks. High fiber, low sodium. Jordan, excuse, go. You're shaking on the camera. So we're gonna do these now. Let's put 1 top there, 1 top here, 1 here. Give this person 1 here. Stay there. Give this person here. This person over here. Why are you hiding? I don't want you to hide. Don't hide. Do I want you to get mixed up? Mix up in there. You're right there. Do that, miss. Do that, miss. 1, 2. No, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have this. I'm gonna give this person right here. This person right here. Let me make some space, guys. There's a lot more to come, and I don't want to get them mixed up. Alright, so that's the bit of the space. You know what? Let me put this underneath here so I have more space. Okay, good. So let's move on to the peanut butter. One go there, one go here. One go here. Oh, and you're probably wondering why they're not going to school. The others are going to school. I'm homeschooling Jordan. One go there, one here, and one over here. It's looking good so far, guys. Looking good. Now we have some grape jelly. Yep. So I'm gonna put them each. One there, one here, one there, one here, one over here. There's another one. I'm gonna just give mini minor mo right there. So let's move on to the Colgates. Alright, so starting here, start right here, right there, over. So while I was doing the putting on the Colgates, I didn't realize that the video stopped and the space on the phone was completely full. So I had to delete some stuff that I had in trash, and let me just show you how far I reached. So I put the Colgates on. So this one got 3, this one got 2, over here is another 2, that one got 2, 2 there, 2 here, and I also put some let me show you, cinnamon toast crunch drink mix. Put back this Colgate on this one, and I put those on each. This one got 4. There's 2 in a pack. Well, I this one tear, so I didn't put it. It was supposed to go on that one. So it's tear, and it's spilling, so I'm not putting it there. This one got 4 also, and this one got 2. That's where it's finished. Now I was doing the oats, these. So let me just put one on each. Get one also. This one, get one there. Stay there, don't want to get mixed up. This one right here. This one over here. This one over there, and I have an extra one. This one already got an extra thing. This one got an extra thing, so I'm gonna give this one the extra. Okay, no, let me give this one the extra because it only got 3 of this. All right, guys, so let's continue. Let's move on to the toothbrush. So I'm gonna put one here. One. Jordan, the cat is friend for his baby. One here. Go give it to the cat, his baby.
No, it's Cookie.
I'll go give Cookie a baby. Come here, Jordan. One here. Bring the baby come. There. One here. Let the baby say hi. The baby cat say hi. Hi. Look at the cat. Look on the camera. Don't shake it. Don't shake it. Say hi, baby cat. Say hi, hi, hi. Hey, you're so cute. You're so cute. Say hi. Say hi. You say hi. You say hi. You say hi. You say hi. Wanna stay up there? Wanna stay there? Don't shake the phone. Come go to Jordan. Come go to Jordan. Go to Jordan. Okay, guys, so where were we? Oh, so I'm putting the toothbrush. So I put one here, one here, one there, one here. Let's just continue putting. Put another one here. This one didn't get any extra. This one didn't get any extra, so put in more there. Don't go about it. Why do you want to go and this person's stuff? You don't want it for yourself? Stay right here. Okay. Another extra one here. And another extra there. Alright, guys, it's looking good, looking good, looking good. Oh. Alright, let me just right here. First one here, stuff right there. Alright guys, so let's move on. What should we move on to? Let's move on to the body wash. Okay. So I'm gonna put one here. One here. One here. Over here. Stay right beside her. You get one already? Put one here. Put it beside this so don't make a mistake. There. Okay, so we have this one again, this one, that one, that one. Okay. Enough. And just give it this person extra and extra. Extra. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's move on to the tin food, guys. Yep. Right there. Don't drop. Let me just put this on top of it. Why are you going over there? Stay there. No. Stay there. Go there. This one can go on top of this. That go on top of it. Go this there. Stay good. I'm going to brush. This one get right there. Right over here. You didn't get any. I'm gonna put you on top of this. No, I don't want to. Put you right here. Put you. Yeah. Right there. You now. You're gonna go right beside your other members. All right. So now we're gonna move on to the corns, guys. We're giving them some corn, some sweet corn, sweet corns. Got a sweet corn there. Sweet. You're too close. A little bit too close. No, I want to be so close. Sweet corn coming up. Sweet corn coming up. I'm on the phone here. Remember, I'm doing something. This one. Where should I put you? Put you right there. Put this one right here. What is this? Right there. Beside her or him. Over there also. We have another one. Who didn't get any extra, guys? Which one didn't get any? Let me just put it right here. And we have another sweet corn. I'm just gonna give you one right here, dear. Yep. You just gonna get another one. Okay. Don't drop on the glass table now. And you're gonna get another one. Don't drop. You know what? I don't want it to fall on the table, so I'm gonna put them flat. If it falls, it will break. The glass part will break. Don't want that to happen. Alright, so we have, this is green peas. I'm going to give a green peas right there. This is still too close. Let me bring this down some more, guys. Don't get it too close. Okay. What did we do? What did we put on? Green peas? Yeah. I'm going to give you a green peas right here. I'm going to give you a kidney bean red peas. Dark red peas right there. This one didn't get any. Put it there. Okay. This one over here, giving you one also. This one here, I'm giving you this one there. Did you get one? Yes, you did. You didn't get one, so but I gave you. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, this was an extra one. We didn't get one of this. Oh, it's not extra. It's for this one. No, we did get one. Who didn't get one? Let us see who didn't get one, guys. Did you get one? You didn't? I'm sorry. No, you got one. Okay. Alright, so where are we now? For these, just gonna put, this is a vegetarian veggie soup. Just gonna put one here. One here. You put one. Oh, wait a minute. Did I give this one over here any? Oh no, I didn't give him anything yet. So let's go back because we didn't get. Oh yes, I did. There they are. lid. Okay, so this one, let me put you right there so I can see. I did give you. Okay, so where are we now, guys? Whew, I'm tired. So we have an extra one. So this one got, this one got, this one got, this one didn't get, that one got. We're gonna put this one, it's either right here or over here. Let's put it right over here. So put in this one right here. Oh, we have an extra one. We're gonna put it right here. Jordan, shh. So now we're going to the sweet canned condensed milk. Milk around the corner. One milk here, one milk there, one milk here. Stay put, don't fall. One milk here. Stay put. One milk over there. And the last milk over here. Yep. Now it's looking good. So now we have this. See, guys? I'm just going to do in a minute. I like that one over there. So I'm just going to put it. I'm just going to put the one here. Huh? And I like this one right here. So I'm going to put it there. And we have some of these. And because those two get ready, I'm just going to give it's an air freshener. So I'm going to put one here. And one there. And voila! We have completed. Well, we have not completed it because the rice, like I said, the rice is not shared as yet. I don't think I'm going to be able to share the rice on camera because we don't have any bag. We don't buy the bag as yet. I totally forgot that we needed bag to put the rice in. Yep. We have some big, the big plastic bags. I don't want to put them in those because that is not presentable. So I'd rather get the 5 pound or 6 pound or whatever pound bags to put the rice in. But as soon as we buy the bag, probably this evening or tomorrow, I'll just bag them out and put on each parcel whatever amount, if the 50 pound can, whatever amount you can share into. I'm going to use a plate, guys. I'm going to use this plate. This plate. And if I can put 2 of this or 3 of this in each bag, then I'll do that. So each person can get the even amount of rice. So that's the next step, guys. So no, the next step is to put them in bags now. I have bags. Starting with this one. Whew. What am I gonna put first now, guys? The rice. Oh, I'm going to put the tin stuff first. Off camera, guys, I'm gonna put these other stuff in bags. Oh man, I'm tired. So I have 1 here, 2, 3, 4 left to go in bags. I'll put them in bags, guys, and that would be it for today. Yep. And the next step would be us giving these away, guys, which we're gonna do a video, which I said it in the first video. So this will be the second, this will be the follow-up video. Thank you guys so very much for all your support on the first video. We really appreciate it, guys, really do. And Jordan is eating his popcorn. Daddy, popcorn for you? Uh-oh.
I can eat a cookie.
You want to give Cookie? Alright, go give Cookie. And giving the baby cat one also. Thanks for watching, guys, and enjoy the rest of your day.